Calling all protein lovers, today I'm super excited to share with you a delicious and nutritious high protein chicken sandwich. It's not just easy to make, it's packed with flavour and super healthy. I slow roasted this chicken for around 2 hours, which really enhanced the flavour and made all of the chicken fall off the bone like so. And then I got some protein bread, I toasted it and I made the most delicious sandwich. As always, I got my chicken delivered fresh to my door from the online meat shop. Details of this amazing establishment are in the description below. First up, let's talk about the star of our sandwich. Corn-fed chicken is the type of chicken that is raised on a diet that includes corn. This not only enhances its flavour but also contributes to its nutritional profile. Corn-fed chicken tends to have a slightly higher fat content. It has a richer taste and it also offers more omega-6 fatty acids. Corn-fed chicken is also a beautiful golden colour. Plus, it's often more tender and juicy, making it perfect for our sandwich. So for the base of this sandwich, we're using Warburton's protein bread. This bread is a fantastic choice because it's specifically designed to be high in protein compared to regular bread. Each slice contains around 12 grams of protein, which keeps you fuller for longer, and it also helps support muscle recovery. And the best part is this entire sandwich made with 2 slices of Warburton's protein bread and a good portion of corn-fed chicken comes in at around 450 calories. And when it comes to protein content, you're looking at a total of approximately 40 grams of protein. And that's incredible for a meal that is so satisfying. So this was so easy to make. I put some olive oil at the bottom of a tray. I seasoned the chicken with some salt, some pepper, some paprika and some coriander. I added a drizzle more olive oil and I gave that a really good mix. So I made some cuts in the chicken so all of that flavour seeps into the chicken. So I covered the chicken with the foil. I popped it in a preheated oven at 200°C for the first 15 minutes. I then lowered the temperature to 160 and let that cook for the rest of the 2 hours. So there you have it, a high protein chicken sandwich that's healthy, delicious and super simple to prepare. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. This way you won't miss any tasty and nutritious meals. And thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.